Welcome back! Vegetarian is easy and delicious. Do you like to eat eggplant?
Eggplants have a tender, creamy texture and absorb oils and seasonings well, offering rich, versatile flavors when cooked. Eggplants are rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, low in calories, and beneficial for heart health. Today's stir-fried eggplant with vegetarian dried shrimp is incredibly flavorful and pairs perfectly with rice. Don't forget to save the recipe. Ingredients: eggplant, vegan dried shrimps, ginger. Vegan dried shrimp is actually soy flakes. Chopped ginger. Ginger is rich in gingerol and antioxidants, boosting blood circulation, relieving nausea, and strengthening immunity. Its warm, spicy nature helps dispel coldness, while adding a distinct aroma and depth to dishes. Wash and cut eggplant into strips. Eggplant is rich in dietary fiber, vitamin B6, and anthocyanin antioxidants, being low-calorie with trace minerals like potassium and manganese to support blood sugar control and heart health. The purple skin contains high levels of niacin, a unique antioxidant that protects brain cells and scavenges free radicals. When cooked, its spongy texture readily absorbs oil, so steaming or roasting is recommended to retain nutrients while effectively absorbing seasonings for versatile healthy dishes. Pre-frying or air-frying eggplant seals moisture and creates a crispy golden layer, reducing oil absorption when stir-fried for a tender inside, crunchy outside texture. High-temperature cooking enhances eggplant's natural sweetness, while stir-frying with sauces intensifies flavor without greasiness compared to traditional methods. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes until lightly charred, and it's ready. Roasted eggplants set aside. Roasted eggplant achieves a lightly charred crisp exterior while staying tender and juicy inside, with heat intensifying its natural sweetness. Proper roasting preserves dietary fiber and antioxidants better than frying, minimizing nutrient loss. Let's heat it up. Chili all in the wok to release its aroma. I used Lao Gan Ma chili crisp for that iconic spicy kick. Stir-frying chili all in a hot wok fully releases its aroma, infusing the dish with a rich, spicy fragrance. Stir-frying ginger paste with chili all blends ginger's pungency with chili smokiness, creating a unique layered aroma. High heat activates ginger's volatile compounds, cutting through the oil's richness while elevating the flavor profile. Add vegan dried shrimp and stir-fry. When stir-fried together, the umami of vegetarian shrimp absorbs the chili oil's fragrance, creating a rich base flavor that balances spice and savoriness. The chili oil's heat caramelizes the edges of the mock shrimp, tenderizing its texture while eliminating any bean-based aftertaste. The dish achieves a vibrant red hue with a spicy yet mellow taste, perfect for pairing with rice or noodles. Reserve some stir-fried vegetarian shrimp for garnish. Sprinkle over the cooked eggplant to add a crispy texture. Try this spicy shrimp stir-fry with noodles, rice, or sandwiches. It elevates everything. Add eggplant. Adjust salt and soy sauce to preference. I prefer a touch of sweetness, so I use the same soy sauce as for tossed noodles. An online friend asked about the brand of scallion-infused soy sauce I used for my tossed noodles. Actually, I bought it in Malacca, no sponsorship, just a family favorite. The eggplant soaks up the scallion-infused soy sauce's aroma, while caramelization under high heat unlocks a deep umami sweet richness. Optional to add sugar. Stir-fry pre-roasted eggplant over high heat for just 1 to 2 minutes. This preserves its smoky crust and creamy interior while preventing mushiness. Plate eggplant. Generously top it off with crispy golden spicy vegetarian shrimp for a crunchy, fiery finish. The crispy golden vegetarian shrimp blanket the glistening eggplant-like edible gold, striking color contrast that delivers crunch against creaminess with every spicy bite. Simple steps, big rewards. This savory stir-fry will have you reaching for seconds. Lal Genma chili oil infuses the eggplant with fermented bean paste and chili depth. Each bite delivers savory, spicy, and umami richness. The eggplant turns silky yet holds shape, its slightly wrinkled skin trapping pockets of spicy oil that burst when bitten. Creamy eggplant clinging to crispy chili bits makes it an addictive rice companion, boldly flavored without greasiness. Eggplant's anthocyanins and potassium support heart health by regulating blood pressure, ideal for seniors. Its high fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation, benefiting sedentary adults of all genders. Niacin fights cellular aging, while its low calories assist women in weight control. Salicylidine in eggplant skin may benefit prostate health. Pair with tomatoes for enhanced absorption. Slow digesting carbs plus fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, crucial for pre-diabetic individuals. Eggplant's cooling nature may worsen abdominal discomfort or diarrhea in those with cold-sensitive digestion. Individuals sensitive to solanine found in eggplant skin should watch for allergic reactions like itching or swelling. Its moderate potassium levels require caution for people with kidney dysfunction to prevent hyperkalemia. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.